Another great way to use ChatGPT is to create flashcards, and it's a relatively straightforward process. So let's have a look at what we can do. You can see here that I've asked the prompt there, create a set of 15 flashcards on the cardiovascular system for OCR GCSEP again. So again, very specific, exam board specific. And I've said one side of the card should be a question and the other side should be the correct answer to the question. I think the good practice tells us that when we're creating flashcards, if we create a question, then the brain is automatically geared, wired to want to answer that question. So that's good practice in itself. And then you can see it's generated these very, very quickly. They're not exactly what you might think our flashcards would traditionally look like, are they, with the question on one side and the answer on the other side. So I've seen these responses. I'm quite happy with them after I've checked through them. But then I've asked for a printed version, which it's done for me. I've downloaded it, but it actually just produced the same thing as you can see here. So I wasn't massively impressed with that. So then I said, create the flashcards on a table with 2 columns, the question on one side and the answer on the other side. And it created a Word doc for me there, which I shall bring across and show you. And you can then start to format this and edit it as you want to. And again, obviously you're going to check it through. So you've got the series of questions and answers, which you might choose to use with your students in a way that is suitable for you. But taking that further, what I then did was I asked it to create the flashcards in a format that I could use to paste into Quizlet. And you can see here very quickly, again, it's created the format and the coding for me to do that. And also underneath, it's given me the instructions of how to do that. So it's telling me just copy the above text, go to Quizlet, create a set, enter the terms, and then paste in, and it will automatically generate. So let's have a look at this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up all of these. I'm going to paste, so I'm going to copy there. Now, obviously, you're going to need a Quizlet account. I've got a Quizlet account. You go to create content. You go to flashcard set. Once that comes up, you'll see that it says import here. So I click on import, and then I just go into this box and I paste the content in there. You'll see import down here. I click on import, and super quickly I've got my 17 or so, 15 or so flashcards ready. Now again, you can edit these in here as well, and when you're happy with those, you can click create. And now you've got a set of flashcards. What I would probably need to do is to edit that more to give that a correct title, which I forgot to do. But very quickly you can see that I've got all of these flashcards created.